What is dendrochronology? Dendrochronology is the scientific method of dating tree rings to the exact year they were formed. What are tree rings? Tree rings are a set of concentric rings in the cross-section of a tree trunk, representing a single year's growth. Tree rings tell us how old a tree is. How are tree rings collected? Tree rings are collected by using an instrument called an increment borer that extracts a thin strip of wood from the center of the tree. What information can you get from tree rings? A year's worth of growth is represented by a set of rings, which is made up of one dark band and one light band. The light-colored band represents wood that grew in the spring and early summer, while dark bands represent wood that grew in the late summer and fall. Since trees are so responsive to local weather conditions, you can tell whether a year was warm and wet or cold and dry by looking at the light bands of a tree ring. The thinner the band, the cooler and drier the growing season, while the thicker the band, the wetter and warmer the growing season. Counting tree rings. Starting from the first year growth, locate the first dark ring. Count the dark rings until you reach the bark. Do not count the bark. The number of dark rings will tell you how old the tree is. There are 16 rings in this tree sample. That means that this tree is 16 years old.